Hi there, in this video we are going to speak about CSS variables. Sometimes in your projects you are going to have repeated properties, like this color code that I'm using for 3 different elements. If I want to change the color for these elements, I'm gonna have to change it one by one. This is already tedious enough with 3 elements. Now imagine a big project with hundreds and hundreds of lines of CSS code. So luckily for us, we can use CSS variables to avoid repetition. And we can use variables in just 2 steps. First, we need to declare the variable, and that has to be inside a parent element. In this example, since I have the HR and footer inside the container, I could declare the variable inside the selector for the container. But regarding variables, there is a best practice of using the root pseudo class. This represents the HTML element, which means that all other elements on your page will be a child of this pseudo class, and therefore we'll be able to use this variable. So now we need a name for our variable, and it always has to start with 2 dashes, and then you can pick your own name. The shorter the better, and ideally it has to be self-explanatory. So for this, I'm going to choose main color. And now I'm going to use the value that repeats throughout the project. Now that I have the variable created, I can use the var keyword and inside the name of the variable. Now we can do the same thing for the other elements, and now we have a single source of truth for this color. So if we want to change the color throughout the whole project, we can just change it here. So I can pick a different color, save this, and all the other elements will be updated.